As we look around us, it's hard to ignore the stark reality of our dependence on fossil fuels. The energy from fossil fuels has allowed us to build and sustain the civilization we know today. It has powered our factories and our cities. It has propelled us to new heights of technological advancement, and it has allowed us to live lives of comfort and convenience. But as we stand at the crossroads of history, it's clear that our dependence on fossil fuels has also brought us to a place of great challenge. For decades, we have relied on coal, oil, and natural gas to power our homes, our cities, and our industries. The burning of these fossil fuels has not only depleted our resources at an alarming rate, but has also brought about a host of environmental and health problems. The smoke and pollution that belches out of power plants and factories is not only damaging our air, but also our lungs. The carbon emissions that are warming our planet and causing sea levels to rise, putting coastal cities at risk. But it's not just the physical damage that should concern us, it's also the moral damage. The exploitation of fossil fuels has led to social and economic injustice around the world. From the extraction of oil in the Niger Delta to the coal mines in Appalachia, communities have been torn apart and left to suffer the consequences of our energy choices. The cost of using fossil fuels is enormous. This high cost is being paid by society with a significant impact on various dimensions. The depletion of our resources, the environmental damage, and the social and economic injustice that they have caused are taking a toll on our health and well-being, on our economy, on our food supply, and on the environment. We're becoming poorer, less healthy, with less food, on a planet with an out-of-control climate, with species disappearing. The use of fossil fuels is not only depleting our resources but also putting a strain on our planet and society. We must take action now to mitigate these costs and invest in a sustainable future. But there is a way out of this mess. As we look to the future, we must also look to the past, and to the natural systems that have sustained life on this planet for millions of years. The sun, the wind, and the water have provided us with a clean and sustainable source of energy for millennia, and they continue to do so today. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are not only cleaner and more sustainable than fossil fuels, but they also have the potential to bring about a new era of energy independence for communities around the world. With the advancements in technology and the falling costs of renewable energy, it's now more feasible than ever to power our homes and cities with clean energy. But we must also look to the future, and to the new technologies that are on the horizon. Nuclear energy, for example, has the potential to provide an almost limitless supply of clean energy through nuclear fusion. This technology, still in development, holds the promise of a future where we can power our cities without producing carbon emissions or radioactive waste. The road ahead may be difficult, but it's worth it. It's time for us to come together and work towards a common goal, to harness the power of science and technology to create a better world for ourselves and for generations to come. The future is in our hands. Let's make it a bright one. Let's make it a sustainable one. Together, we can build a world where clean energy is accessible to all, where our air is clean and our water is pure, where communities can thrive and our planet can flourish. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching.